Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Techno Gaming and today we are playing Black Ops 2 Mob of the Dead, right? And I am here with Mellow Madness Jr. He's a good friend of mine. So yeah, we're just gonna play this. It's been a while since it came out, yes. And
But it's a good map.
yeah, it is.
Very, very
Hold on,
good
hold on,
map.
hold on. Hold on, okay. Which one are you getting? Okay, I guess I'll get this. Okay. So I am on the bottom because that's my rightful place.
We forgot to unlock this.
And Mellow is on top.
Guys, you better take a look at this.
Take a look at what?
I'm Billy. Hey, I'm Billy. Hey, my name is Billy.
No, you're not.
This is my room. Back off.
Who's down the street? Not 6.
So we're trying to get Blundergat, right?
Huh?
You were trying to get Blundergat?
What?
The Blundergat?
Oh.
The new weapon, the only weapon that's in this map that's new.
Okay. Okay, by the door. By the... By the...
What? Oh, what? It's not this one.
It isn't. Darn it. If I just revive you.
Don't, please. Cooper, stop. Cooper, behind you.
What? What's behind me?
My foot. That's the thing. Cooper, stop. Techno, whatever.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Your face.
Just put it on my bill.
Ha 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 ha. That was funny. Because my name is Billy.
Oh, yeah. That's why I said it.
Hey, I shot this.
Apparently you did. I'll shock it. Hey, have a grenade. I accidentally touched it.
Yummy. Tastes like spaghetti.
Okay. Hey, it's open. I'm gonna get it. Revive me.
Okay.
I'm kidding. Don't. Oh, okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
This is part of something
I got
What is
a part to the acid. Sorry, I can't read
What's
that.
the acid kit?
Acid kit. I don't know what that is. Next.
Buy it.
Is your weapon like a slot
And
machine?
I'm a hero man.
Good. Don't.
You're human?
What?
Dude, I thought you were not human. You
I am
scared me.
part Zoidberg.
Zoidberg?
Zoidberg.
Dude!
Dang. Oh my god.
Zoidberg!
Zoidberg.
Zoidberg!
Zoidberg.
Zoidberg.
What'd you get? What'd you
The
get?
fail.
Oh,
I'm Billy.
I am Weasel.
Good, you're good. I escaped.
Darn it.
Loser.
Look, no, look there. See, ready, watch. Watch. No, just keep watching it. Just keep watching it. Seriously, just keep watching it. Just keep watching it. Magic.
I watched you.
No, let me get the kills. I need kills. Or not, that's fine too.
Let's go across the line.
I am weird.
Yeah.
I like chicken.
I just started choking. Choking?
I like
Choking?
choking. Hey,
I'm
Cooper.
choking,
Hey,
mate.
Cooper, I like choking too.
You like choking?
Yeah. I love
I
choking.
mean, if you don't say so. Oh gosh, I almost fell over my chair. That would have been bad.
That
That
would
would have
be
hit my
funny.
head. and I would hit my thumb, and then it would break even more, and it would be a C6, but even goes up to C5. So I don't know how that happens. Then purple monsters will come out and eat Jake. No,
Why me?
because here, taste bullets. Are you serious,
Who did that?
Jake? I saw that. Why?
What did I do, Cooper?
Don't worry. No, don't kill that. Don't kill that zombie.
Don't you tell me what to do.
Don't you know what to do?
You know what to do. Jiggle, jiggle.
Do.
Patty cake, patty cake.
Baker's meat.
Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Hey, look at all these zombies.
Oh my gosh.
Next?
Dude, let me get kills.
I don't know where kills are.
Oh my god. Fruit Loop Dingus.
That's me. Hey, there's a kill.
Oh my god, no.
Oh.
Stop. No. That. What? One, two, three, and
Right,
four,
Mark,
and
10.
5.
That was a big
Baby.
fucking boom.
I win. You don't.
Wait, what? What is that gun?
You're mommy.
Okay, come with me, because I have to hit the box again.
Retard gun.
No! Stop. What are you doing, Jake?
It doesn't work.
Jake, what are you doing?
Doing you a favor.
I did your mom a favor. I made her a sandwich.
Oh, cool. She probably liked it.
That's confidence. Did I take it too far?
Yeah, sure.
Too far, Cooper? Too far, Cooper. I'm sorry, Cooper. Acid trap.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hit the box.
No, please don't. Nay. No. Stop it. Jake. How about you do something better with your life? Like getting a kaboom. Or
I can't.
maybe
I can't do that.
Or maybe a...
Hurry on. My Chipotle's running low. Hey, max out.
No. Okay, get it.
Wait, I'm reloading.
You know
You know
what?
what happened?
Forget you. No, look.
Sorry. Oh, where are you? Oh, you're on here. I am
I hate
Thor.
you so much.
Not like you're gonna
So
change anything.
much.
I love you too, Cooper.
You don't know how much.
How much money you paid for this game?
I got it for free because I'm special.
No.
No, dude, don't go. Dang, don't get it.
Right, that's the reason.
Huh?
Right, that's the reason.
What?
That I just said, because you're, you know what?
What?
The key fell.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
I need help. Back up. Mayday.
You have to revive me.
Earth to Jake. Oh, now you get the max ammo.
Where do I go from here? Because I'm about to die my character.
Where you going?
Back up! It's coming to town!
I don't need that anymore.
You're such a jerk. I know.
No, you're not allowed to hit the box. Or hit the box. That's fine too. Why don't you get to the bear? Hold it. What? But it hurts. And it's a baby. Aw. Hold on.
Don't put it outside.
No. Okay. So my sister was on a walk. Come on. My sister was on a walk and they just found a hurt baby bird.
Put it outside now.
Okay, hold on. I'm coming.
Cooper, go get me a container.
A
From the container thing.
Okay, we have to go get a container. Getting a container.
You need to wash your hands really good, Jillian. They have diseases.
Okay. I didn't know how big you wanted it.
Can you open it at least?
Hi.
I didn't want it the size of the bird.
That's it to make sure to wash your hands because it has diseases.
Shannon
Aww.
does not have diseases.
Shannon.
Here, Cooper, take this inside really quick.
Jake, take this inside.
I didn't ask Jake, I asked you.
Door, bring this inside.
Look, he's hurt. I think I broke his leg.
You probably killed me.
It's
dead.
still alive.
It's gonna die.
Cooper the doctor and Jake and
Cooper,
Sam.
you did nothing.
Sam the doctor.
It's gonna die. I'm sorry to tell you.
No, it's not.
What did you do to it?
Nothing.
I found it. Yeah, his leg is broken.
Hey, that happened to ours too.
Get an ace bandage.